Okay, Grilling with Ed, episode 1 here, Fred. I'm going to chop all this up, put it in this pan with 4 tablespoons of butter. So we'll chop that up. Okay, we got our vegetables cut in there, various colored peppers, orange, red, these sweet peppers, the yellow squash, there's potatoes underneath, and onion. Now we're going to season it with some salt. And a little pepper, and a little trick a lot of people don't know, the pepper doesn't like to come out. These ridges on the bottom of the pepper bottle, take the salt bottle and you do this and the pepper just flies out of there. I suppose you can do it with the salt too. I got rice in my salt because of the, yeah, works real good. Set that over here. I'm going to take this corn, take some butter, and we're just going to butter this corn. Real quick. Don't be afraid to put the butter on it. One more little piece real quick. Then we're going to take the salt, the corn, wrap this up. Those two are ready for the grill. So today we're going to go with pork chops, a little salt, pepper, flip it over, salt. Now, from the beverage store, I buy these Twangers lemon lime spice. It's a lemon lime salt, and it Twangers chili lime. So I'm going to take this chili lime, just sprinkle a little bit of that on there, pat it in. The other one. There's not a whole lot in these little packets. Pat it in. Only do one side. Okay, now those are ready for the grill. Okay, I got the grill lit, grilling. We'll let it come up to temperature. Right now it's at 0, but it is lit, it is on. Let's leave these turned up. And Bloody Mary time. Okay, we're at just about 350, so we're gonna set the corn up here, and we're gonna put the vegetables down here to cook for a little while before the pork chops go in because they cook kind of fast. See, you open the lid for that long and you lose 50 degrees, 30, 40 degrees. Trick is, don't lift the lid.
Doing takedown notices. This is what he was talking.
Okay, the vegetables are definitely cooking good in there in that butter. Time to get the meat. About 400 degrees. Okay, I had the lid open. I lost a little bit of heat there, but we're going to throw these pork chops on. First one. Oh dear, trying to hold a camera. Here we go. Trick is, don't open the grill. Okay, I got a clean plate. I moved the vegetables off of the heat to the top rack. I'm going to flip these now. Won't be long. See how quick you can lose 50 degrees? Okay, I've shut the gas off. Pretty much. I'm going to call these done. Beautiful grill marks. Get my corn on there too. And get this stuff inside. And there it is. There it is. There she is! Grilling with Ed, #1.